Enjoy this roast lamb with garlic and herbs and rich gravy. Start by scoring the meat. Smother in olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Sprinkle smoked paprika and massage it in. In a roasting pan, fry in olive oil and set aside. To the same pan, add onion, celery and carrot. Pierce the lamb, insert garlic, wrap sage leaf around rosemary. Pierce again, twist and insert herbs. Drizzle with olive oil. Place lamb leg on rack. Slow roast for 2 hours. Remove cooked lamb. Heat up vegetables. Add the red wine, chicken stock and Dijon mustard. For the roux, add flour to melted butter and mix over heat. Add to pan, season with salt and pepper, strain and your rich gravy is done. Your lamb has rested. It's time to carve it. Who wants some? I do.